Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is what's sold on eBay with over 50% profit. For anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for 23 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. The first item that's sold on eBay is a can of Nestle Sausagen, and these are being sold on eBay for $43.98. And this seller is charging an extra $16.50 for the shipping. And Amcal is selling these for $27.49 and only charging $7.50 for shipping. The next item that's being sold on eBay is a makeup mirror, and these are being sold on eBay for $75.95, and they're being sold by Dropship Zone for $41.10 with free shipping. The next item that's sold on eBay is a car polisher, and these are being sold on eBay for $69.99, and this seller is charging an extra $10 for shipping. And these are being sold by Supercheap Auto for $29.99. The next item is a kid's pedal car, and that is selling on eBay for $169.90, and Dropship Zone is selling these for $101.80. Next is another kid's pedal car that's sold on eBay for $194.61, and is now being sold on eBay for $175.14. Dropship Zone is selling these for $98.60, and notice that they offer free shipping in some areas. And for the other areas, you can charge the customer for shipping. Next is a mattress, and these are being sold on eBay for $179.06, and Dropship Zone is selling these for $105.20. The next item that's sold on eBay is an Ozito power station, and these are being sold on eBay for $41.10. And they're being sold by Bunnings for $14.98. The next item that's being sold on eBay is another makeup mirror, and these are being sold on eBay for $129.95, and they're being sold by Dropship Zone for $66.50, also with free shipping. If you want to find more items yourself that's sold on eBay and are making greater than 50% profit, I have an entire free online step-by-step course. I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home without leaving their home and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.